what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create a margin in XHTML and CSS. Okay, now here let's go ahead and type something on the body. I create a paragraph P and then close it with \P. Okay, I copy paste because I'm gonna write two things. I copy this one, paste it right here. Inside of this paragraph I'm gonna just type something like this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Again, I'm gonna copy this one and paste it right here as well. Copy, paste it right here. And I'm gonna add a border, actually background border, background color, basically background color like highlight mark, you know. Now we have this one appearing, we are going to just highlight this. To do that we have to go between the style, and then since I'm going to color the paragraph, I put a P right here, and then in the curly bracket we could put background color, background dash color, and then colon, whatever the color you want. I put orange, and then semicolon. Okay, and now close the curly bracket. Now if you refresh, we have the background orange color. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a margin. That's what the topic is. Margin is basically the gap, you know, we have a gap right here, that's a margin. If I put the gap to 1 pixel, let's see what happens. Margin colon 1 pixel, semicolon, and then curly bracket already closed. When I refresh, you can see the margin come closer. Now if I put 40 pixel, it's just gonna expand. Okay, now when I refresh this one, it's expanding. Okay, that's how we create a margin in a web page. That's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.